Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Purview for data loss prevention settings, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Microsoft Purview. Press enter to navigate to the Microsoft Purview homepage. Once the page loads, locate the sign in option, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the Microsoft login page. Here, enter your work or school email associated with your Microsoft account. Click on the Next button to proceed. On the next screen, enter your password. Then, click on the Sign In button. If prompted, complete any additional security verification, such as a two-factor authentication. After successfully logging in, you will land on the Microsoft Purview dashboard. On the left navigation pane, look for the Solutions section. Within this section, find and click on Data Loss Prevention. This will take you to the Data Loss Prevention Settings page. Here, you can start configuring your data loss prevention settings. Review the available options to customize your DLP policies according to your organization's needs. To create a new policy, click on the Create Policy button. Follow the prompts and fill in the required fields to set up your policy. Once everything is set, click on the Save or Apply button to activate your settings. You are now successfully logged into Microsoft Purview and have configured your data loss prevention settings. Explore additional features and capabilities within Microsoft Purview to enhance your data security efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.